Hello there, my name's Angela Birch and this is the second video that is regarding the same thing really. So it's regarding a petition that I've started with the government, which I will go into, and it's to seek a change in the law to protect those that have been affected by domestic abuse. So as it says at the top, domestic abuse and restricting what a perpetrator can know about us. Non-molestation order process. If you have been a victim of domestic abuse, you can actually apply for a non-molestation order, which means the perpetrator needs to leave you alone, and it's a legal and binding document that is given and granted through court. You can apply directly to the courts for a non-molestation order or through a support service, and one is called NCDV. Very, very swift, and they can actually get an order in place within 24 hours. If you do it yourself, then it should be marked urgent. This will take priority with the courts and can be the fastest way to get an order granted by a judge. Once a judge has seen the completed paperwork, a decision can be made instantly and the order put in place. When the order has been put in place, the perpetrator also gets a copy of this. This is where a problem can escalate into an even bigger issue for the victim of domestic abuse. Impacts for the victim once the court notifies the perpetrator. When you complete the forms for a non-molestation order, or if an organisation completes them for you, it contains absolutely everything that I've written on this particular slide. That's every detail of what you've supplied, exactly how it affected you, the impact upon your mental health and the physical impacts, the triggers and how the perpetrator used them against you, how it is affecting your daily life, your insecurities due to what they have done, your fears going forwards, actions you may have taken to keep yourself safe each day. They will know absolutely everything. What can we do to protect people going forwards? I've approached the government to ask that only summary points are to be given to a perpetrator of domestic abuse to help to minimise more harm or suffering onto the victim, and ensuring that the perpetrator is not given all the impacts of their actions, as this can leave the victim more vulnerable and a target for further abuse. By giving a perpetrator all the information from the victim, this may give fresh opportunities to repeat their actions or indeed increase the severity of them in the future. Here's a link to the petition. It's too late for me, but let's not make it the same for others who are suffering and those who may suffer in the future. Please do take literally less than 2 minutes out of your day to look at the petition and to sign it, but not only to sign it, to share it further. I need 10,000 signatures initially, but I actually need 100,000 in reality. So literally every signature really does count. Thank you.